noticing the other day when using the barbecue, I was cooking everything and it wasn't very good. It wouldn't cook properly. I had half of the barbecue being a grill and the other half being a flat plate. I've read online that you can't put two flat plates because it doesn't work properly. So I did what everyone does. You get on Google, you search for flat plate barbecue, and the prices are just through the roof. So I thought, why can't I make one? Yeah, why can't I make one? I went and got a bit of 3mm plate steel and I've replaced the barbecue plate with a flat plate of steel, and yeah, the results are pretty amazing. Check it out. So this is the cook plate from the bottom so far. I just tack welded it all together just to see look and feel. Oh, look at that. That looks pretty good. I'm happy with how that turned out. Yeah, it was lucky. The metal actually has a natural curve in the middle, which is good because all the fat will run to the middle. And I got my drain pipe here. So if you can see that, got like, you know, a couple of mil here, and then down the middle it's 10 mil, and back up the side you can really see it there. Same size as well. Just make sure this is all flat and level, but the plate does actually bow in the middle. That's by design. It's really good. So now I'm going to go and test fit this into the barbecue over here. It's looking a bit worse for wear. I've got to clean it up. See, the problem with this barbecue was it would cook here, you know, and there, but up the front, nope, and down the back, forget it. And it just, yeah, it's just I don't think it was very well designed. So I'm going to have to cut some holes in the back here to let ventilation through. This is all going to be open. The tray underneath is going to be gone. The tray's over there actually, you can see it. Yep. Clean this out, and that gas bottle, I'm going to move that gas bottle to the side. Just for a bit of safety, you know, keep it away from the heat, because there's probably going to be more heat under there now. And I hate opening that door to turn the gas on, and I can, so why not? So yeah, so I've started cleaning it out here. It's pretty messy. Yeah, hopefully I've measured it all. It's just sit along the back here, sit in there. The hardest part will be getting it past this and sliding it in. Needs a bit of cleaning up. It's got rust happening here. Well, I'm just going to turn it on and see if it actually gets hot. Oh, one lit up, that's good. Two lit up. Three lit up. Four lit up, that's good. These three weren't lighting before anyway. So that's good.
It's an improvement.
Bit of a wind here. Oh. Oh, not warm yet. Oh yeah, shit, now it's getting hot. Oh, wow.
I was going to say, running your bare hand over it, probably not advisable.
You can hear it creaking and ticking and hear it? Tick,
Yeah,
tick, tick, tick.
warming up.
So apparently you're supposed to get, this is when you do cast iron, you're supposed to get it really, put oil on it, get it really hot, let the oil smoke, and then let it cool down and the oil seeps in. There's probably a bit of paint under there or something.
Well, that's why you got to get it hot.
Bloody spatula when you need one, huh?
Why don't you use the barbecue one that came with it?
I don't know where it is.
In the bottom drawer in the kitchen.
This is good, this works.
It's like a paint scraper.
That's fine. Technically I'm painting the barbecue with oil. Technically that's correct.
That'll be so much easier to keep clean.
Yeah, yep. Oh, I'm just happy because it's not going to catch, you know, when you're doing lamb chops, you don't catch fire anymore.
Well, and the fat drains into one hole. Definitely heating up.
You can see where the hot spots are, look. Here, look, it stops. Because it's a 3mm metal plate though, I'm hoping a lot of heat will carry over here. You can use the whole thing.
Well, it should distribute the heat.
Yeah, that's where it's the hottest.
Yeah. And you found that when you were the
Yeah,
old.
that was before it.
Yeah.
You see, before it, you had putting oil everywhere. You had the grill here and the hot plate there, and you could only cook in this section of the hot plate.
Yeah,
I
if
mean,
you had
look,
onions and stuff.
Yeah. Even if I can't use the front view for cooking, I've still got double the area to cook.
Yeah. Well, you can put your things like your onions at the front. They probably don't need as much heat as something like your meat.
Might turn that down a bit actually. Bloody strong.